Good morning, everyone. Today's question is group anagrams, question number 49. Given an array of strings, group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase found by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters. Okay, so here are multiple ways to do this. One is check all the anagrams using for loops, and that will take us give us a time complexity of more than n square, so we're not going to go that way. What we are planning to do is we're going to be storing all the anagrams in one list using a dictionary, and that dictionary will be the key of that dictionary will be sorted array, a sorted string of the anagram, because all the anagrams for here, if we sort the all the letters of the anagram, they become same. I mean, if we sort the letters of anagram, all the anagrams give the same result, right? So we are using that as a key to store it in our dictionary, which will contain the list of anagrams. So let's declare our dictionary. That's going to be a, we'll name it DC, and that's going to be a default empty list, and then for a in stairs. Okay, and here we will you know declare a temporary variable that will store the sorted list of that particular the current string. Okay, the sorted current string. So first off, we have to change it to a list to sort it. List, we are changing a to list just to sort it. Now we can sort it. Now it is sorted. Okay, now we will change it again back to string. T dot, I mean, t is equals to of t, right, like this. No, it's not the proper way to do it. I think proper way of doing it is using join or t. So t is back to a string. Now what we'll do, we will append a into the dictionary where the key is going to be t. Append a, right? So that's it. Now we have to create our answer array, answer list, whatever you call it. Now each key for each key in DC, we will be having a list of anagrams, right? So answer dot append DC key, okay, and we'll be returning answer. So I'll show you the whole code like this. Let's run it and see what the outcomes. So here you can see it's running properly for at least these three test cases. Now we will submit it and see if we are able to get a successful submission. And yes, we have a successful submission, and a good one at least. Yeah, we are in the top 2%. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you understood. Subscribe and like.